Good evening to all my wonderful viewers out there, and welcome back to another unboxing video, the series where I unbox the various streetwear, sneaker, and sometimes even jewelry purchases on the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a pair of Polo Ralph Lauren Prospect pants that I picked up from Final Season Fits. Yeah, so I've picked up quite a few Polo Ralph Lauren pants recently, guys, and because it is a area that I want to expand into, pants more specifically. So down the line, I do want to buy the Scott Fraser collection Zoot pants and a couple of their other models. I think they're really lovely models, but they cost a lot of money. And it is a style I do already have, which is dress pants. Now, recently I bought a pair of the Wrangler 13 MWZs, a lovely pair of cowboy cut denim that sits at the waist. Love it. It is my go-to denim option. I would love that in black. If you see a size 40 or 42 waist in a black, let me know. I swear to God, they only do it in an indigo blue. I've then moved into the Andrew pants by Polo Ralph Lauren to have kind of like a chino option that sits at the waist. I picked up a lovely tan pair, which I'm wearing currently at the moment, and then I picked up a navy pair, which unfortunately was the same measurements on the tags and looked like the same measurements in the photos, but the navy pair was a bit shorter, and it's a bit too short probably for me to wear as well. Now, I've gotten another pair of Polo Ralph Lauren pants to add another option to the options that I have for my, I guess, chino selection when it comes to pants that sit at the waist. And this one is a different model to the Andrew pants. This one is the Prospect pants. And judging by the measurements, it looks like it has like a 12 or 13 inch rise. So it's a pants that sits at the waist. It is a flat front chino, so no pleated designs, no double pleated designs like the Andrew pants. So it's a bit more simple, not as extravagant. It also looks like a tapered cut instead of a straight cut because the width at the thighs seems to come in a bit down by the ankles. Not drastically, but it does come down. So it is a bit of a different fit from the Andrew pants. And I'm kind of keen to see how it fits with this one that I've bought today. This one is allegedly a 40 waist by 34 length, so quite a bit longer than the other pairs that I've gotten. We'll see how they kind of fit when I wear them on body, and maybe 34 in the length might be the exact length that I'm looking for. Something for us to explore together. But that's what I'm going to be unboxing today, guys. That's the whole story behind how I've gotten to this point. Let's get into it. Let's unbox this nice little package from eBay and see how they are. And of course, unlike my Andrew pants that I bought, this actually has a button on it. But that's okay. Like, I'm planning to sew the button on these Andrew pants that I found on on this Friday. So I will get that resolved, and I can just wear a belt in the meantime. But yes, it's unfortunate that the navy pair of Andrew pants that I bought didn't fit the way that I wanted to. I can definitely still wear them, that's perfectly fine, but I would like them a little bit longer. And there will be a point where eventually I just pull the trigger and buy the expensive pants that I want to, but I'm trying to see if I can get some secondhand and vintage options that can also fit me with that as well. But here they are. Here is the Prospect pants. I'll open it up and we can get into the tag and see how it all looks. So very similar color to the Andrew pants that I'm currently wearing. I'll chuck them over here. We can see, opening it up, here is, yeah, I mean, looking at that, that looks like it's got quite a big rise. So I think I'm gonna be okay where these don't sit at the waist, which that's exactly, where they don't sit at the hips, which is exactly what I'm trying to avoid. I don't wanna buy pants anymore that sit at the hips. We can see when I bring it up, we've got Polo Ralph Lauren Prospect pants, 100% cotton. And I think these cost me like $20 or something like that off of eBay with shipping and everything. So a very good deal. It looks like, yeah, judging from the leg width, it looks like they do come in a little bit, but nothing too drastic. Like, I mean, see what I mean? can see the length, you can see the width there. It's not too drastic where it comes in, but it definitely does. And we can also see on the front, no pleated designs across here. You don't get that dramatic kind of look. That's fine. I don't need the pleated designs, but it always looks nice and very classic when you do have a pleated design on the front. But that is it showing it here. I'm gonna chuck these on and see how these pants look on body, and I'll show it to you guys. Alrighty everyone, here we are with the Prospect pants instead of the Andrew pants. Now, like I was saying, the Andrew pants have that pleated design, one pleat here, one pleat here, to give it kind of that extra bit of flair across the top of the pants there. And I think it does make a noticeable difference, because these ones here, they definitely look more preppy, they look more formal, I guess more modern, because they're missing the pleated design. But overall, the fit for these Prospect pants, these are fantastic. The 34 length is actually exactly what I'm looking for. If not, I might even go at 36. Just because I wanted to kind of drape over the top of my shoes. This 34 length, I mean, I don't know if I can really expose it right now. It perfectly sits exactly where my shoes would sit. So not draping over them, just sitting on them. And it's fine, that's nice. But I think for a pair of $20 pants, I did really well here. Obviously not going to wear them with a black shirt like this. I'd be wearing it with a much lighter color. But overall, the fit of these is really nice. Now, when I said it tapers in, I know we're probably all getting worried, because I'm a straight cut man myself. I love it just one width all the way down. Don't make it thinner and thinner and thinner. Do you notice it here? Look. Barely. I think I would struggle to make the claim that this is a tapered cut. I would see this as more of a straight leg cut. It barely comes in. I've got heaps of room. The leg opening is massive. It's quite interesting, because I was reading up on these pants and I found like a forum from the early 2000s about people complaining how this was the model to replace the Phillip pant. And they were complaining about all the things with it. They didn't like that there was no pleated designs. They didn't like the leg opening. They didn't like the tapered cut. But I mean, I don't know. This pair that I bought is actually quite good. It does make me feel more preppy without the pleated designs. Because I don't know. I guess like every single time you look up Ralph Lauren now, I envision seeing guys wearing chinos with no pleated designs on them. At least that's what I first called to. Like, I'm calling to a pair of chinos with no pleated designs, a striped shirt, a cardigan or a sweater over their shoulders, and very well done hair. That's how I kind of envision the preppy look of Ralph Lauren at the moment, if I was just to think about it. So this is why I guess I feel this way. But it is correct. The Prospect pant is a waist cut. Fantastic. Nothing at the hips. Very spacious. Very nice. I think these are actually more spacious than the Andrew pants. They've got more room around the waist and the seat. I feel less compressed in these than the Andrew pants, but aesthetically, I like how the Andrew pants look. But if this is a 34-inch in the length like they are advertised to be when I bought them, that sucks, because I really do like that length. If anything, I want a little bit more, and pant options go completely out the window when you're looking at 34 or above. They're just gone. Like, they just don't make them for the tall lads like me. And I mean, that's fine. I can just keep going hunting on eBay and stuff like that to find more Prospect pants like this. But it sucks a bit. It definitely makes me think, like, I'm just gonna have to, like, on this hunt for the pants that I want, eventually I'm just gonna have to go custom made. It's gonna have to happen. I can't just keep buying vintage and secondhand Ralph Lauren pants off of eBay and fill that hole that I have. Or maybe I can, but I think I'm gonna have to buy custom pants eventually. And I think the Scott Frasers are probably gonna be up there. Like, I'm gonna be buying them next. But if you guys have any suggestions for the taller guys like me, on models that are 40 in the waist or a 42 and have at least a 32 or 34 inch length, that would be fantastic, because that's exactly what I'm looking for. These fit me very, very well. I do really like them. Absolutely, this is a way better pickup than the navy Andrew pants that I picked up, but I still aesthetically like how the Andrew pants look. These are just really nice. I'll zip them up again. These are just really nice. I really like how they sit. They are a lovely pair of pants, the Andrew pants. Fantastic, fantastic. But yeah, I think at the moment, if I had to say it, the Prospect pants and the Andrew pants are my favorite chino models. Ralph Lauren has done a fantastic job with their chino options. I haven't explored their suit pants or their denim, but their chinos, definitely. I am going to be on the hunt for any models that come up on eBay and stuff like that. Highly rate them. Guys, if you want a cheap pair of chinos that fit at the waist, go for the Andrew pants or the Prospect pants off of eBay. Just make sure that the rise is about 13 inches. Make sure that there's a photo of someone measuring from the top to the bottom, 13 or 12-ish inches. That's what you want. That's what you want for that rise, and it's just fantastic. It's exactly what you want. It's super comfortable. It looks super classy. It's very nice. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be wearing these. I love it, and I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions. Thoughts on the Prospect pants? Are they better than the Andrew pants? How do you feel? Let me know down in that comment section below. And that is them completely unboxed, guys. I'm gonna have to go hunting for some other colors in the Prospect pants. I think that would look really nice in like a navy and a black and everything like that. I'll have to see what I can find. But yeah, love them. Don't know if they're going to be, you know, more favorable than the Andrew pants, because I do really like the Andrew pants. But yeah, I'll have to see what other kind of models there are that I can try out. I'm only going to be buying ones that fit at the waist, but if you have any recommendations or any on any Ralph Lauren pants that kind of fit that, you know, that 13-inch rise, that very lovely wide look, let me know, because I'm happy to take them on board, and I'll definitely give any of them a try. And of course, if you guys want me to keep unboxing the various pants that I buy, let me know by giving me the 3 indicators I always ask you for, which is a like on this video, a comment in that comment section down below, and if you haven't already, the best indicator you can give me is a subscribe to the channel. As mentioned in previous uploads, I'm trying to hit the subscriber milestone of 3,970 subscribers before the end of the month. Hopefully with your guys' continuous support, we'll be able to reach that milestone before the end of October. That is everything I have to say about these pants though. Final season's fits. Thank you. You're an awesome eBay seller. The shipping was great. The price was fantastic. I'm in love with them. I'm going to have to keep my eye out for any other, you know, ones that come up in that sizing, because 40 times 34 in the length, very nice. It's very, very nice. But that's all I really have to say about them, guys. Thank you for tuning in. And until the next streetwear talk video, until the next unboxing video, until the next drop list video in general, I'll catch you later.